Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get Marvel Ultimate Alliance on PC. This classic superhero action role-playing game is a fan favorite, but finding it for your computer can be a bit of a quest. Unfortunately, due to licensing changes, the game was removed from most digital stores several years ago. Don't worry, we'll explore the best ways to add this exciting title to your gaming collection, even with its current limited availability. The main reason Marvel Ultimate Alliance is challenging to acquire digitally today is due to its delisting from major online platforms. This happened because the publishing and character licenses expired, making it impossible for companies to continue selling it. While this means new digital purchases are not possible, those who bought the game previously can typically still download and play it from their existing digital libraries. Since digital storefronts no longer offer the game, your best bet is often to seek out physical PC copies. These original disc versions can sometimes be found through online marketplaces or specialty game stores. Additionally, game preservation websites are a valuable resource, often hosting older PC versions for download. Always ensure you are using trusted sources when acquiring software this way. Once you have the game files, installing Marvel Ultimate Alliance on a modern PC might require a few adjustments. You may need to run the game in compatibility mode for older Windows versions to ensure it functions correctly. The community has also developed various patches and fixes that can enhance performance and address common issues. For the best experience, consider using a game controller, though some configuration might be necessary to map controls perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.